Hi everyone! Now it's workbook time! So for this part of our lesson, we are going to practice page 15 of your workbook. Here we will answer letter D. So I will be giving you some examples on how to answer letter D on page 15. The examples will be subtraction without regrouping. Now here is the subtraction equation that you have to answer for number 1. We have 14,736 minus 10,512. For number 2, it's 37,958 minus 22,631. And for number 3, let's try to answer 86,549 minus 54,403. Try to think of your answers for these examples on subtraction without regrouping. And when you are finished, we can now see if your answers are correct. So again, this is for letter D, subtraction without regrouping. So what could be the answer for number 1, for number 2, and for number 3? Remember, if we are doing subtraction without regrouping, this one is column subtraction, we need to start subtracting the numbers from the digit on the place value of ones. So that will be 6 minus 2. The answer is 4. Next, we have to go and subtract the numbers or the digits from tens place. That's 3 minus 1. The answer is 2. Now for hundreds place, it's 7 minus 5. The answer is 2. We now move on to thousands place. That's 4 minus 0. The answer is 4. And 10,000s place, 1 minus 1 is 0. You don't need to write 0 anymore before the number 4. But we also need to write our comma after 3 digits. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, and thousands. The answer for number 1 is 4,224. Now let's go to number 2. Again, starting our subtraction from ones place. That's 8 minus 1. The answer is 7. Tens place, we have 5 minus 3. The answer is 2. For hundreds place, that will be 9 minus 6. The answer is 3. For thousands place, it's 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5. And for 10,000s place, we have 3 minus 2. The answer is 1. And after 3 digits, ones, tens, hundreds, we have to write our comma. The answer for number 2 is 15,327. Now for number 3, starting from ones place. Again, ones place is 9 minus 3. The answer is 6. For tens place, 4 minus 0 equals 4. For hundreds place, 5 minus 4 equals 1. Now for thousands place, 6 minus 4 is 2. And 10,000s place, 8 minus 5 equals 3. Also, after 3 digits, we have to write the comma. The answer for number 3 is 32,146. I hope that you were able to answer this practice correctly. Let's go to the next part of our drill. Now we are having a practice for page 16 of your workbook. This is for letter E. You still need to do the same thing. Again, subtract the numbers, but this time I will be giving you examples on subtraction with regrouping. So for number 1, try to subtract 21,946 and 7,514. For number 2, subtract 43,165 and 26,049. And for number 3, we have 83,207 minus 52,165. Now try to answer these examples for subtraction with regrouping. And if you are finished, you can now find out what the correct answers are. So again, this is a practice for letter E, subtraction with regrouping. So what could be the answer for number 1, number 2, and number 3? For number 1, always starting from ones place, we have 6 minus 4 equals 2. Tens place is 4 minus 1 equals 3. Hundreds place is 9 minus 5 equals 4. Thousands place, we have 1 minus 7. We know that 1 is less than or smaller than 7. So what we need to do is to borrow from 2. It becomes 1. And this number 1 is now 11. 11 minus 7 equals 4. Also, after 3 digits, the digits for ones, tens, hundreds, we have to write our comma. Oh, before that, we have to bring down number 1 from 10,000s place. Now, our comma. The final answer is now 14,432. Now, let's see the correct answer for number 2. Starting from ones place, we have 5 minus 9. Now, 5 is smaller than 9. So, what we need to do is to borrow from 6. It is now 5. And this number 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 9 equals 6. For tens place, 5 minus 4 equals 1. Hundreds place, that's 1 minus 0 equals 1. For thousands place, 3 minus 6. But 3 is smaller than 6. So we have to borrow from 4. It becomes 3. And 3 is now 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. And 3 minus 2 from 10,000s place equals 1. After 3 digits, ones, tens, hundreds, we have to write our comma. The answer for number 2 is 17,116. Now for number 3. Starting again from ones place. That's 7 minus 5 equals 2. Tens place, 0 minus 6. But 0 is smaller and less than 6. So what we need to do is to borrow from 2. It is now 1 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. For hundreds place, it's 1 minus 1. The answer is 0. Thousands place, 3 minus 2 is 1. And for 10,000s place, 8 minus 5 equals 3. After 3 digits, ones, tens, and hundreds, we have to write the comma, giving us the final answer, 31,042. I hope that you were able to get every correct answer for this exercise. Now let's go to the last part. For the last part, we're going to have some examples for horizontal subtraction. Now we will try to answer number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember that for horizontal subtraction, find the answer by starting to subtract from left going to right and also using the place value of each digit. So let's see the correct answers for this part of our practice. Now for number 1, again, horizontal subtraction is doing it from left to right. And also, that would mean ones minus ones. So left to right, ones minus ones is 5 minus 0 equals 5. Now we go to tens minus tens. From left to right, that's 6 minus 1 equals 5. For hundreds minus hundreds, from left to right is 9 minus 6, which is equal to 4. And for the last digit, we have thousands minus thousands. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Also, we need to write our comma. The answer for number 1 is 4,355. Let's go to number 2. From left to right is 4 minus 3. That's ones minus ones. The answer is 1. Next is from left to right, tens minus tens. 2 minus 1 equals 1. For hundreds place, hundreds minus hundreds from left to right is 8 minus 0 equals 8. And then thousands minus thousands, 9 minus 2 is 7, also with our comma. The answer for number 2 is 7,811. Let's see the answer for number 3. Again, from left to right. Ones minus ones, 6 minus 3 equals 3. Again, from left to right, tens place this time. 1 minus 0 equals 1. For hundreds place, doing it from left to right, we have 2 minus 6. But 2 is smaller than 6. So what we need to do is to borrow 1 from 7. It is now 6, and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 6 equals 6. And for thousands place, from left to right, it's 6 minus 4 equals 2. Also with a comma after 3 digits. The answer for number 3 is 2,613. Now for number 4. Again, from left to right, ones minus ones, that's 1 minus 1 also, equals 0. Tens minus tens, from left to right, 3 minus 7. But 3 is smaller than 7. So what we need to do is to borrow from 7. It is now 6, and 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 7 equals 6. Hundreds place is 6 minus 2, from left to right. The answer is 4. And for thousands place, doing it from left to right, thousands minus thousands is 8 minus 5 equals 3. Also, writing the comma after 3 digits. The answer for number 4 is 3,460. So this is where we end the lesson. I hope that you understand how to do subtraction without regrouping, with regrouping, and also horizontal subtraction. I hope to see you all next time in our next lesson. Whenever you have the time, keep on practicing the lessons at home. I hope that you stay safe and healthy with your whole family. Take care and have a good day, everyone. Goodbye.